The ZUCKEO 12W RGB Landscape Lights provide both warm white and rich color options, making them versatile for everyday yard lighting and festive displays around the home. With multiple color modes, adjustable brightness, and a handy remote, it is easy to fine-tune the ambiance without walking outside to the fixtures. The sturdy aluminum housing, thick glass lens, and high waterproof rating help these spotlights stand up well to rain, snow, and year-round outdoor exposure. Long-lasting LED chips and efficient low-voltage operation mean you get bright illumination while using relatively little energy and needing fewer bulb replacements. Installation is straightforward thanks to the choice of ground stakes or mounting brackets and the included connectors that simplify linking the lights together. The safe 12 to 24 volt system works with common landscape transformers, so this 10-pack can be used widely along paths, gardens, walls, and architectural features.